Bro. Put it like this.
You don't get one. Only I get one.
So?
I got
What?
the biggies and you didn't.
I can't believe it zapped me when I came in.
A pre-sale cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
So? Pre-soak cleaning product.
Why is it brown on the bottom?
Blue and orange. Make brown.
That makes sense, right? Turned off.
No, man. Just do this way.
I wonder how this works. What if somebody with epilepsy went on here? Can I open the window?
No.
How do you mix black with colors?
Basically everything. Red, blue, and yellow. Then more blue.
That makes it a brown.
Yep. It'll mix it pure black.
You have a nice soul.
A sealing product is now being applied to your vehicle.
So what'd you think about the cat videos yesterday?
It was the most brain rotty thing ever.
Why is that?
It was literally just cat videos. And it had like that. Like, you know, like the songs for like kid videos?
Oh, like Kids Bop?
Yeah.
Or like stupid like circus song.
That.
Whip. Something like that.
Yeah. And it always had those like really. That's it?
Thank you. Please exit slowly.
This feels like we're gonna get chainsawed.